Welcome back to the channel. The legendary Dodge Durango is back for 2025 and it's bigger, bolder, and more powerful than ever. This new SUV combines muscle car performance with modern SUV luxury, making it one of the most exciting three-row SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for family comfort, high-tech features, or raw American power, the 2025 Dodge Durango has it all. Stay tuned as we break down everything from its new design, powertrain options, tech features, and pricing. Let's dive in, automobile dashing away. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Dodge Durango keeps its aggressive and muscular stance, but now features an updated front grille, redesigned LED headlights, and sharper body lines that give it a modern yet bold presence. Depending on the trim, you can get blackout packages, larger wheels, and even a widebody kit for the performance models. The SRT versions come with even sportier details, including functional hood vents and exclusive performance badging. Step inside the 2025 Durango, and you'll notice premium materials, high-tech features, and a spacious three-row layout. Dodge has added a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Other luxury touches include heated and ventilated leather seats, premium Harman Kardon sound system, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging pad. The Durango Hellcat and SRT trims even come with performance tracking screens that show horsepower, G-forces, and launch control settings. Under the hood, the 2025 Durango has something for everyone. Here are the available engine options. 3.6L V6 Pentastar, 295 HP and 260 lb-ft of torque. 5.7L Hemi V8, 360 HP and 390 lb-ft of torque. 6.4L SRT 392 V8, 475 HP and 470 lb-ft of torque. 6.2L Supercharged Hellcat V8, 710 HP and 645 lb-ft of torque. With available all-wheel drive AWD, a towing capacity of up to 8,700 pounds, and an upgraded suspension system, the 2025 Durango is not just a fast SUV, it's built to handle anything you throw at it. Dodge has also packed the 2025 Durango with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera. These features make the Durango as safe as it is powerful, perfect for families and high-performance enthusiasts alike. Base SXT model, $42,000. Durango R/T V8 power, $54,000. SRT 392 muscle SUV, $71,000. Durango Hellcat supercharged beast, $95,000 plus. This SUV is truly a muscle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic car content. See you in the next video.